Hi everyone. Uh, this is Yuvraj. So I hope you am audible to everyone. Please confirm me once. Hello. Am I audible? Yep. Thank you, Maheshwari. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Today I'm going to uh, we are talking about Python only. So before that, I'm introducing myself. So my name is Yuvraj. I have a 6+ years of experience as a Python developer. So yeah, I was worked on more than 7 projects. Some are like a web application, few I worked as a generative AI models, like generative AI. Yeah, yeah, that's all about me. Okay, if you want to, please introduce yourself. Then I will start this demo because we only few members. That's all. Veeranjani, Maheshwari, Harsha.
Morning, sir. I'm Viram.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. So, Python is now very trending technology because using Python, we can develop web applications as well as AI models, MLs, and as well as currently we are using generative AI, and also a few of you guys already knows ChatGPT, these kind of things. These are yeah, we are building using Python only. So Python is the main resource to learn the AI or like web applications. So where we want to go. So we know the basis of the Python, then only we can achieve our targets like web applications or like any other data science. It's like it's a very trending technology. Why I'm saying very trending technology? Yeah, we have already Java, .NET is also there here. So like comparing to Java or .NET, so I'm a fresher. I want to learn like a programming languages. So Python is the best. Why I'm saying Python is the best? Because it's like a very understandable syntax, like English, and also what we call. So here is like if you want to consider as a Java, if you go with Java, then here is like we need to if you want to write any program, so at least we can write for print hello world these kind of things. At least we can write minimum 5 lines needed. For coming to the Python, it's very a single line we can show the output like a print statement or like any other thing, and it is also dynamic typing. So once you are writing the program, if you want to start the program, so here what we are doing we can in earlier languages like a C or Java, we need to first we need to initialize the data type. So and also there we are using semicolons and flower braces. It's more syntactically difficult to learn. So in Python it's very a simple and versatile. And also here the Python is offers to frameworks like Django, Django for enterprise applications, and Flask for like medium or small applications. And also one more is like Fast API. It uses it for the asynchronous process. Asynchronous means for example, if you take a Django is a synchronized, one after one it will be executed. So coming to the Fast API, it's like it will take the multiple requests at a time. It's asynchronous, so we can use this framework based on our purpose. If you want to develop a big applications, we can choose like a Django. If you want to develop like a small like a medium applications, we can choose Flask or Fast API. And also here is the if you want to search a documentation like a Python or Django, it's very huge. We can available, we can search there and we can learn easily. For coming to the Java and .NET, there is no like much documents not available. And also coming to the Python, we have a one more like pandas and numpys is also there. So pandas is like a we already heard about data science and also numerical calculations. If you want to, we already hear about like machine learning, AI. So before this, before training the model, we have a one more step is there like data cleaning and data pre-processing. These steps are we are doing using pandas only. It handle the large amount of data, so we have already three different libraries available in Python, so we can use that libraries and we can develop very easily. So within like 4 lines, 5 lines, so we can develop the things using like a pandas or numpys. So these many things are available in Python. And also I have to show one demo to you. Like this is a simple application I was developed using Django with the front end like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and for validations jQuery, for like sending data to front end to back end. I'm using like Ajax call. So how quickly share my screen and I will show it to you. My screen is visible to everyone. Hello. Yeah. Thank you, Asha. So this is the Django administrator. So this is the one of the future in Django. If you want to develop any application using Django, by defaultly it provides the groups and users. This is the default tables Django provides. So here, what we are doing, if you want to save the password, also we need to encrypt by programmatically. But this the future, it automatically encrypted themselves only in Django. So if you want to see this like details, it's already encrypted in Django, the password. So I'm going to so this is the I was developed the student portal. So the main theme of the application. So I was developed simply like registration and login pages for this. And if once we log in, and it will go to the dashboard of the students. So there we can do the multiple operations like edit and the remove or lock update. These things we can do. So using this, so before this, before like I will show to demo, so just I wanted to show the code as well for the, okay, before showing this. So here Django, why we are using Django, so why we are using Python. So because if you want to develop the application in a quick way, quick way means it's we can develop the application in a, days only, not in months. So if you're taking this like a student portal, it will take like a 1 day only. Because why I'm saying 1 day? So sorry, we are already we are learners only. We don't know the code how to do and how to do these things. Why are you explaining these things to me? Actually, why I'm explaining to these things to you guys, because of, like, if you want to take any other programming languages, it's very it's a difficult task to us to develop the like application front end and back end, because it's so more code and also less libraries are available as compared to the Python. So other languages is very less libraries, so we need to build our functionality, then we can develop that functionality, we can implement there. So these things are happened. For coming to the Python, so why it is simple? Because we have a use libraries available. For example, earlier I was shown one of the admin page. This is the admin page. Admin page, what we are writing the tables, because you already hear about SQL. What we are developing, we are developing the tables schemas like students and whatever you want, users. So Django coming to us with their predefined admin page. In the admin page we can see the data, what data is existed, how it is storing. So it will visible by with a good UI. So here we need to search the tables, instead of writing the command select star from some other table, some table name, then only we can check the data is available or not. But here it's it's very, we can see everything in a graphically. So it's a good thing in Django. And also here is free different libraries, if you want to develop any functionality. So we have a libraries called so pandas and numpys, and well as if you want to check the phone number validation also, we have a library in Django. Using that library we can develop the validations. So uh, if you are going to some other languages, these things are not available. So if you want to validate the phone number or email, we need to write a code ourselves, we need to implement a logic ourselves only. So that is the big advantages in Python. So we have use libraries and we have a use resource to available to reuse it, and free defined functionality. These things are very huge in Python. uh, and also, okay, this is the student registration. So it says the one validation. Enter a valid email address. So why it is coming here? I was giving the email is a ABC. So if I'm giving ABC at the rate gmail.com. So again, I want to go to login this thing. ABC. Invalid credentials. Why user is not existed? Sorry. Register account, some other name. Test, 2, 3, test, forget, use password. Test 1, 2, 3, test. Yeah, this is details. Just I was registered like test 1, 2, 3 and test at the WC. It's a program is demo. Here we have options available for view and edit and remove. So if you want to click this, it will like display the details. Yeah, currently the profile was not uploaded. That's why it's showing like empty. So these things like it's a basic application. I was giving the demo. Once we are like start our like classes now, then we are like we learn more things like so how to do the application from where we have started and what we learn like in Python. Because if you like develop any application, the basic is like a Python. If you know the Python only, we can like develop the applications. Otherwise, it's very difficult to like learn and like understanding. It's very difficult. So and also, if you guys have any doubts on these things, and please ask me. Then I will like again like if you have any concerns, please ask me. Hey Kalyan, you're saying something. Hello, may I audible to everyone? Just a small man. Then I will. Uh,
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi Arsha. Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I'm from a different stream. I'm from a science stream, so I want to learn Python. But to be honest, I didn't get anything from today's class. I was like confused after listening to these administrations and all.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's like a high level thing, Arsha. What I'm saying, but I'm giving the like it's a one kind of demo, like how we can integrate the front end to back end. So in the end of the day, what we are doing if you want to start learning on Python. So if I'm starting with coding now in the demo
Mm.
now, so little
Mm.
bit it will be confusing to everyone. So just I wanted to brief about the Python. Why we need to learn Python? Because we have a many other languages as available in the market like a Java or .NET or like something C. It's already available now. Why we need to learn Python? Because why we by using Python we can quickly develop the web applications as well as like currently trending technology what ML and AI and as well like data science. These are very trending technologies. So by using Python we can achieve and we can learn technologies very easily. Why? Because we have a huge community in Python, like use resources are available. So and also using that resources we can develop the code. For example, if you want to go with Java, that is also good programming language, but that much libraries was not available in Java. We need to write a more code and more logics ourselves. That is the it will take time like For example, if you are developing one thing in Python in one day, the same thing if you want to develop in Java, it might take like 1 week, because there is no like much like libraries was not available in Java.
Okay.
And also here is like a popular frameworks like pandas. Why we are using, it's for a data science and a data cleaning, data pre-processing. If you want to like develop any machine learning algorithm, before that we need some data. We need that data is validate it is a good or not, or like it is like is there any like null data, or like is there any missed data is there. We can handle these kind of things using pandas.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and also if I'm giving one like demo that I was using in like Django. In the demo, so if you are getting the data from the database, earlier what we are doing like a select star from some query we are writing. So here Django or like one like ORM is available. In single line we can get the data. For example, I will show it to you. Actually, yeah. So login dashboard. This is the one query. This is getting the student profile. I'm already showing where it was table was existing. Yeah, this is the student data. These are three records are existed. So if we are getting the entire data, we can use in a single line query. Student profile dot object dot all. So and also if we have a foreign key relationships, that also we can everything we can write it in a single line. So that is
Sir, we
the
are unable to see your screen.
okay. Sorry. Yep. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this line is you are seeing student object dot all. Hello. Yeah, we can make it everything in simple and small. Very basic syntax we can follow in Python. So that is easy to learn as a freshers. We can start your career like because today Python is very trending technology to learn. So and also ML and AI, and also we have a generative AI for developing the chatbot and all those things. So Asha, do you have like is it clear or like
Yes, sir, it's clear.
okay? Anyone have like any doubts? Then I will explain. Today, this is the only simple. It's a demo class only. So once we are like uh, starting our classes now, you can get more idea on this. So today I'm explaining like why we learn Python. That is my agenda today class. So Maheshwari, Viranji, all are quiet. Yeah, actually, as demo purpose, I'm like I wanted to understand these guys first. So if they have any queries, just I will like clear their queries then it will be. Guys, do you have any confusions? Please let ask me, then I will help you.
What is the duration of complete course?
Actually, yeah. Are you fresher or like do you have any
Fresher.
fresher? Actually, it's based on like for Python, core Python. So it will take hardly 1 month or 1.5 month.
Okay.
So if you are learn speed, it will be a 1 month. 1 month also we can learn because
Okay.
if you do the more practice now. So for if I'm like teaching the classes like for I'm now starting like basics to something. So if you want to do more practice now, it will help to like speed up our classes. So
Yeah.
that is the our agenda. Like if you
Yeah.
want to, yep.
Actually, we are freshers, so we need from basics complete
Yeah,
course.
from basics on I will start, and if you
Okay.
learn like quickly, then I will introduce the new topics like gRPC, graphical, and as well as REST
Okay.
APIs. So graphical and gRPC is the more running parts in nowadays.
Hmm.
So and also like if you have any confusions, currently we are using like Google and Netflix and Instagram. These
Okay.
applications developed by Python only.
Oh.
Yeah, that is the like that much powerful.
Okay. Okay. For the front end, JavaScript and CSS is sufficient. Can I learn any
Yeah,
other
yeah, yeah, yeah.
scripting?
First we'll understand like JavaScript. So
Hmm.
once you have a confidence on the JavaScript, and you can go through like we'll go through like React or Angular. Currently, I'm working on the
Oh.
Angular. If you want Angular, I will teach you. Because before that, we are like good in like HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is the basics. If you know the Python, then we can learn pandas, numpys,
Okay. Okay.
because
This
they're
uh,
also using
this
Python.
complete course will be in based on real time scenarios, right?
Not real time. So if you understand as much as speak now, then I will
Okay.
start next topic. It's based
Okay.
on of like yours only. So
Hmm.
if you're cooperating with me now, then I will speed up your process. Otherwise, it will be a like it
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
few more days. That is
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
yeah. Dikshita, something, Harsha, Maheshwari. Guys, like anyone,
Yeah, I'm okay with the demo, Yoras. Can I disconnect now?
yeah, ask like,
Is there any continuation of the demo?
wait. Uh, Give a minute. I will. So if you are like clear with Python, we can drop out. Otherwise, if you have any queries, please let me know. Then I will answer your queries. Then
I am okay from my side.
Yeah, and also like you are from which you are from BTech or like
BTech Electronics and Communication.
okay, okay, okay.
For regular classes, can I contact the institute?
Yeah, for regular counters, regular like classes you can connect with.
Yes,
Yeah,
sure.
you can. And also like okay, yeah, we'll talk.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. What about guys? If you have any queries, please.
I'm okay, sir,
Uh, okay.
with Python.
Yeah, we can learn Python with Django, and also for front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax. The for this I will teach these things. Once you are like completely you're able to understand these things, na, then I will go to next step like graphical, gRPC, REST. Guys, if you have any doubts, otherwise we can disconnect this call. One, two, three. Yeah. Okay, we can drop off this call. Thank you, guys.